Hello everyone, today we will make easy fried strawberry sandwich. I'm using this Korean frying mix powder. In a bowl, add the frying mix, water, and mix it well. Spread some strawberry jam on bread. Don't spread on the edge or side part of the bread. Cut it. I added 1 tablespoon of water. I want it to be more watery, not too thick. Check if the cooking oil is ready. Dip the strawberry sandwich into mixture. Start to fry it for 2 minutes in a medium heat. After 2 minutes, remove it. Put it in the paper towel to absorb the oil. Fry also the remaining. I add some strawberry syrup on top, or you can add also condensed milk, but this is optional. Enjoy! Thank you for watching!